How to lock any apps on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's begin. Open settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to privacy option. Choose privacy option and under privacy protection you will get variety of options like app lock, hide apps and private save. Choose app lock and enter your lock screen password or simply the privacy protection password. Then you will access this app lock page where you simply need to toggle on the button for app lock to use the privacy password to lock or access the locked app. Now here you will see the list of apps you have available on your Android phone, so you can easily look for the app and then toggle the button on for the particular app. To see the locked app, you can select lock next to all, and here we can see that this particular app has been locked and listed on lock section. That's how we lock any apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.